I'm using two different types of wire. This one's a 49 strand. This one is a 19 strand. Look at the difference. See how it puddles and it's flexible? I'm squeezing my hand together and still no kinks. This one is 19 strand. It's a little bit less flexible. You can see the difference in the puddling in my hands. The 19 strand, still no kinks, but is a little bit stiffer, where the 14 strand is very fluid. Hey guys, it's Susan. Today I want to go through the different kinds of beading wire that's available for you to use. The first one is 7 strand, then we have 19 strand and 49 strand. So this is the least expensive. This is the next expensive, and this one is the most expensive. This is the one that I prefer to use, but sometimes you can get away with using a 19, but really not a 7, and I'll tell you why about the 7. So if you look at the wire, right here, I kinked it already. See, if you bend the wire like that, it's really hard to get out after you've made your beaded necklace or whatever necklace you're making. Once it's kinked and bent from wearing it or putting it in a drawer or whatever, if it's kinked and bent, you can't get it out. So that's 7 strands. So I avoid using this one. The next one to use is a 19 strand, and this is better than the 7 strand because when you kink it, and I'll kink it for you. So there's a kink. It's a little bend. And, you know, we hate to have that in our necklace. You can straighten it out a little, and it still comes out. So this is the next best one, and then the 49 strand is the best. So let me kink it. And there's my kink. And then I'm going to run my finger along it and straighten it out. And it comes out. So this is the best one to use. This is also the most expensive. And then I want to go through the numbers on here. 0.015 inches, 0.38 millimeters, 0.018 inches, 0.46 millimeters. So this one is thinner than this one because you can see that this is 38 millimeters and this one is thicker. You can see the difference. And this one is 46 millimeters, and the thickest one here is 61 millimeters, and this one is very thick. So out of all of these three thicknesses, I prefer to use this one, the 0.38 millimeters, which I used on this necklace. And you see how fluid it is, the drape. If you want a professional looking drape, go with a 49 strand. If you're doing a half strand, then you can get away with a 19. I used half 19, half, and half chain. And it's still very fluid, but not as fluid, and because I can feel it, as the 49 strand. So I hope this is helpful when you have beading choices in front of you of what wires to get at the jewelry store. You'll consider the best one for your needs. Okay, thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.